Tell me about one myth relating to AI that you've come across more than once and had to clarify. My one myth that I was going to say was actually everyone choosing one AI tool and you're set. I've heard that enough times now where I'm going to say that that's the number one myth I'm constantly having to do a little bit more education on is just use this one AI tool and you're all good to go. You're set. Don't worry about it. This will be great for your business. And I see people copying and pasting prompts off social media, and then they use the same prompt that they saw their favorite person online use for that AI tool. They put it into their own large language model and they get a bad output. So I think that to your point, it's the number one myth is that you do need to know your use case. Not one AI tool is going to do it justice, really knowing like what to intentionally prioritize and then how to use AI to either help you amplify that aspect of your business or to solution it is probably my number one myth. It's almost like getting frustrated that your problems aren't being solved with AI is like the equivalent, I would imagine, of someone buying a piano and then being like really upset that the piano doesn't know Beethoven. And it's like, right, like you bought it, but was this the tool that you needed to buy for the problem? And then one, did you actually have a problem in mind?